In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Go High Level. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for Go High Level. From the results, click the official Go High Level website. On the home page, choose the option to log into the app. Sign in using your email and password, or use the Secure Sign In with Google option if that's what your organization prefers. Once you're in, you'll see that you're successfully logged into your account. From Agency View, head to Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Team, then click the button to add a new user. You'll be prompted to enter the first and last name, upload a profile image if desired, and provide the email address, phone number, and extension. The profile image is optional, but it helps identify team members at a glance. If you open Advanced Settings, you can set a password for the user, then click Next to continue. Now choose the user type: Agency, which grants access across the agency level, or Account, which limits access to specific sub-accounts. Next, pick the user role. User is a standard role with limited privileges, while Admin has broader control. Choose the least access needed for the person's responsibilities. Decide whether to restrict access to selected sub-accounts. Turning this on lets you specify exactly which sub-accounts the user can see. You can also restrict data visibility so the user only sees records assigned to them, which is helpful for privacy and focus. Below that, review the list of permissions you can grant or limit, including areas like AI agents, audit logs, automation, and more. Take a moment to align permissions with the role you selected, then click Save. Your new agency-level user is now created. Next, let's add a user at the sub-account level. While viewing the specific sub-account, go to Settings, then click My Staff. Choose Add User and fill in the first and last name, profile image if needed, email address, phone number, and extension. In Advanced Settings, you can add a password here as well. Assign a calendar if this user needs to be booked for appointments. Toggle. Enable signature on all outgoing messages on or off, depending on your communication standards. If enabled, customize the signature so it matches your brand voice and includes only appropriate contact details. Then click Next. Under Roles and Permissions, select either User or Admin, and decide whether to restrict data visibility to only assigned data. Review the available permissions, such as AI agents, audit logs, account settings, and more, then click Save. That's it. Your user is ready to go.